Attraction is a powerful force that shapes our relationships, decisions, and experiences in life, often in ways we don't fully understand.
One of the most interesting facts about attraction is the role of proximity. Studies show that people are more likely to form connections with those who are physically close to them. Whether in a workplace, classroom, or social event, mere exposure to someone can spark interest and lead to deeper relationships. Another intriguing aspect of attraction is the concept of similarity. People are drawn to those with whom they share interests, values, and even appearance. This phenomenon, known as the matching hypothesis, suggests that we seek out partners who mirror our own traits, creating a sense of comfort and belonging in relationships. The more aligned our characteristics are, the stronger the connection tends to be. Physical appearance undeniably influences attraction, and it's fascinating to explore what makes someone appealing. Research indicates that symmetrical features are often deemed more attractive, as they are subconsciously associated with genetic fitness. Furthermore, the scent of a person plays a significant role in attraction. Subconscious chemical signals, like pheromones, can evoke desire and influence romantic choices, highlighting that attraction goes beyond just visual appeal. Emotional intelligence also plays a pivotal role in attraction. Individuals who can understand and manage their emotions, as well as empathize with others, tend to attract relationships built on deeper connections. Effective communication and the ability to navigate social situations can make someone feel more appealing, reinforcing the significance of emotional depth in attraction. Cultural influences are another aspect to consider when exploring attraction. Different cultures have varying standards of beauty and social norms that shape what is considered attractive. These cultural parameters can dictate not only physical appearance, but also behavioral traits, leading to a complex interplay between attraction and societal expectations. Humor is a captivating trait that many find attractive. It's often said that laughter is the best attraction. A good sense of humor can create memorable experiences and foster a bond between individuals. Sharing laughter lightens the mood and can serve as a catalyst for romantic interest, proving that attraction is not solely rooted in physical or emotional characteristics. Finally, the role of timing in attraction cannot be understated. The right connection can flourish only when both people are ready for new relationships. Life stages, personal situations, and emotional readiness all play crucial roles in the manifestation of attraction. Understanding these nuances can help navigate the complexities of human connections effectively.